Well, hello, I'm Brian LaBelle from GF Piping Systems here at the Aquatic Animal Life Support Operators Symposium in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, talking with Robert Satchell, president of Satchell Engineering. Always good to see you. Really enjoy running into you at the Also Show every year. Tell us about yourself. Tell us about Satchell Engineering. What do you guys do?
Okay, well, thanks, Brian. Satchell Engineering is a life support company. We design and engineer life support systems for the aquatics and marine industry.
Yeah.
So aquariums, zoos, every kind of animal that's been displayed, people see, and some that haven't been displayed, we do some kind of water filtration or what we call life support systems for them.
Absolutely. It's all about that water treatment, that water quality, creating and maintaining an environment that keeps these animals safe and healthy.
Exactly.
It's pretty cool.
This is our 10th year in business.
Congratulations. I noticed that on the shirt.
Satchell Engineering. So,
10 years.
it's a very happy moment for us to be able to, been working with you guys at George Fisher for, 20 some years, but at Satchell Engineering, we've been great supporters for you guys, and you guys have been great support for us in the sense of providing technical information on all the products that we use. So
that's 10 successful years. I understand that you've done some of the world's largest life support systems in some of the world's largest aquariums.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, try not to brag about them too much, but it's actually quite the feat that I've actually been on. I'll be on at least 3 of the world's largest aquarium projects.
Yeah.
I've designed Discovery Cove from the ground up. So we start from the ground up all the way to construction, commissioning, sometimes operations of these facilities and things.
Wow.
So
that's quite a scope. I notice you're active here at Also as well. Speaker, what topic are you speaking and teaching about at this Also Symposium?
So the last few Alsos, I've actually developed a ozone training class with ozone water systems. Both of us team together and present to the students and to the operators information about how to design ozone systems, how to utilize ORP probes, such as the Signet ORP probe, how to troubleshoot some of those things, how to apply the ozone, how to size ozone generators. And then ozone water systems is actually very nice with John Overby. Very nice to be able to show all the equipment and then the other processes and loopholes that things people run into.
Sure. Well, you mentioned ORP. That's one of the things that we supply a lot to this industry for ozone monitoring and control. Tell us a little bit about that application. What is ORP doing for you in an ozone water treatment system?
Yeah, sure. Each one of our systems, almost every single one of our systems actually has ozone generation on it, and the ozone generator needs to be controlled somehow. So we use the ORP to indicate how much ozone is in the water, how our disinfection process is going that allows us to ramp up or ramp down the ozone generators. So we take the signals out of your device there, the sensor, and we send that back to either the PID loop on the ozone generator itself, or sometimes we integrate it into our overall life support automated control system and use their algorithms to control. So that it's key to have this information and sensors, and sometimes it is so critical on some of our systems that we will even put 2 or 3 ORPs on some redundancy in there.
Because it's really important. You've got to bring the ozone up to the level that it needs to achieve the disinfection that's required, but then you want to make sure that it dissipates, goes away, ORP levels drop so that it's safe for the water to return back to the exhibit where the animals are.
Yeah, exactly.
And I know that you spec a lot of our stuff, and we thank you very much for that. Flow sensors, flow instrumentation.
All the flow sensors are 99% of the sensors I think we use are George Fisher. So.
And so where you go, we go. So we can say that we're in the world's largest aquariums as well.
Pretty much, yes,
thanks in large part to you. So we really do appreciate that, and obviously appreciate you taking time to talk with us in front of the GF Piping Systems booth here. Thanks for your service to the industry, and again, congratulations on 10 successful years. Wish many more of those for you.
Brian, thank you.
Thank you, Robert.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.